Alright, so in the last video we saw how can you use FTP like FileZilla to go ahead and upload your videos on Blackbox. In this video I'm going to share how can you update the details of your video, how can you go ahead and update the metadata of your videos for Blackbox. So the first thing I'm going to show over here, batch name is something that's a separate video I'll be making. How can you go ahead and upload in batch. Footage name is something that is already gonna be the name of the file that you go ahead and upload. So if you want to go ahead and change the file name, that's really a good option, but I don't do that. But it is really going to be better because it will help you in terms of the SEO part. So if you have that extra time, you can go ahead and edit the file name as well. That's really going to be beneficial. In case if the footage is supposed to be editorial, you're supposed to click on the check mark over here. But as there are no model releases required for this particular footage, I am not going to click on editorial. In case if you have the editorial footage, you can go ahead. The first thing you need to go ahead and fill up over here is what is that particular editorial footage about. Is it regarding some social event? Is it regarding some marriage, or however it is? Then you need to fill up the city that that particular footage has been shot into. The next thing is state, country, and the date. Date will be automatically actually updated. The next thing we have is the description part. For the description, I'm gonna add let's say save lives for resolution. Yeah. Sorry. Make sure that your description is, you can write as descriptive as possible. Check out the elements that are included in your videos, and those keywords are actually going to help you in terms of the SEO bit of it. So whiteboard with markup. That's it. Now the next part is the keywords. So as you can see, the maximum you can add are 49 keywords, and I'm going to show you a particular website through which it's going to be really easy. So you can go for this imstalker.com. It's a really good website. The best part about this site is that you just add a particular search term. It's going to show this results over here, and you can just click on that particular picture and the keywords get selected. Like as you can see here, the suggested keywords, they have been added over there. Now we have the option to add a maximum of 49 keywords, and currently as you can see, it's giving me an option to select the first 25. That's because these are just 25 or less than 25. If you go ahead and select more than that, it's going to give you the option as select the first 50. So make sure you go ahead and select the first 50 in case if you don't want to add the keywords manually. What I would suggest personally to do is go ahead and try and add maybe let's say 20 keywords or 25 keywords which you can copy paste, and the rest of the keywords are going to be beneficial if you add them manually. Like for instance, just select the 25 from there, and let's say I add save lives. Save lives whiteboard. These are going to be really beneficial because these keywords are going to be exclusively related to that particular footage. So it's going to be beneficial in terms of the search volume. The next thing we have is the category. So depending on your footage, you can go ahead and select the categories. It gives you numerous options like animals, objects and graphics, arts and entertainment, so on and so forth. You can select as per whatever suits your footage. I am going to select your objects and graphics, and that's about it. Like it will enable the option to go ahead and submit. So you can just click on this and it's going to get submitted on Blackbox to the Blackbox team for your approval. Alright, so this was the video about how can you go ahead and update the metadata for your stock footages on Blackbox. If you like this video, guys, please hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That's about it from my end. To check out the links shared in the description below. You might find a helpful tool over there. I'll be back with another hack the next time. Till then, keep geeking. Thank you for watching.